Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another FabFitFun video, but this time it is for their add-ons. I did partner up with FabFitFun for this video. Now if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a subscription box with full-size products from fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. The box is seasonal, so they come out 4 times a year, and each box is only $49.99, but each box has a value of over $200 every season. And you can get your first box for $10 off if you use my code Bloom10. Again, I'll have it written up here somewhere, and I'll also have that code in my description box below, but again, it is Bloom10. So now moving on to the add-ons part of it. So if you are or become a member, you will gain access to exclusive add-ons in addition to getting their seasonal boxes. The spring add-ons for FabFitFun are now open. So basically add-ons are like a members only flash sale where you get to shop discounted products and they ship out with your seasonal box. Now because they're add-ons and they are at discounted prices, they do sell out really fast, so you might want to get on it ASAP. If you're already a member, you can upgrade to the annual subscription. That way you get early access to these add-ons because the good ones do go fast. All right, so let's get started. Here is a preview of some of the many great things that they have in their spring add-ons. All right, so first up, I have this round brush from R&Co, and I've never tried anything from this brand, but I always see their stuff at Sephora, and I am always in for a good round brush, just because you guys know I always blow dry my hair. I do blow it on myself, and I love it. So it is like a boar bristle type of brush, which is good. I heard for like spreading out the natural oils from your roots throughout the hair and things like that. So I can't wait to put this one to use. All right, next up you get a whole flat iron by Naomi, and this is what it looks like. And I have used Naomi products and they work really well. I think that was the very first time I ever used a wand to curl your hair was by Naomi. All right, now this is what the flat iron looks like. It's nice because the outside is rubber, so you get a good grip. And then the inside right here, you can control the settings and the temperature. Can't go wrong with the new flat iron. OMG, I got some Tula products. So I've been seeing Tula just kind of all over the place, and I heard really good things about it. So I got the Tula Kefir Replenishing Cleansing Oil, and I love cleansing oil, so I already know this one's gonna be put to good use. And I also got the Kefir, how do you say that? Ultimate Recovery Mask. So these are probiotic skincare, which obviously probiotics are good for you. So if you guys have tried Tula products, let me know in the description box below because I have heard good stuff. So I want to hear from you guys, the people that have actually tried it. You can get Tula products as an add-on. Oh, and then this one I was super excited about when I saw. This is the Milk Makeup Holographic Stick. And it just looks like that. And Milk Makeup is one of those things that I have been dying to try. It's because I heard really, really good things about it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys, maybe right here, just to see. So I don't know if you guys can see on my hand how pretty that looks, but it's supposed to be like a highlighting stick. This one is in the color Mars. I'm not sure if I showed you guys up front, up close, what it looks like. I also got some K-Beauty. This one is a cleansing balm, something that kind of like melts in your hands. So I'm hoping that this is one of those kinds of things, which it looks like it might be. But obviously cleansing is super important, especially when removing your makeup. So super excited to try this one. Again, this is what this looks like up front. So if you guys haven't tried a cleansing balm, this might be a good add-on. I also got this really cute mug. I love the size of it. It says strong women make waves, and it has a picture of a mermaid on it. All right, and I also got this pack of cards. It says OMG, I love it. So it could be thank you cards or whatever you may want to use it for. It's really pretty, has like gold foil, pink envelopes. Next up, I got this Ashley Mary portable power bank that's really cute because it's pink and white. And if you're the type of person that needs to charge everything all at one time, this may be the perfect thing for you. It's just a cube just like that, and then it comes with 2 different ports right there, and then it also comes with the cord. Next thing, I got an eye concentrate. This one is by Skin Owl, and it's a nourishing and youth stimulating eye concentrate, and it just looks like that because who doesn't ever need anything for your eyes. This is what the inside looks like. Looks like a cool gel type of consistency. And then last but not least, I got this tiny cute little Butter London nail polish, and it is in gold, and this one says peel off glitter. If you're not familiar with Butter London, they have really good quality nail polishes, and I believe they are free of like the bad stuff, so really nice thing right there. So as you guys can see, I got a whole bunch of different things from skincare to lifestyle. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the description box below if you are a FabFitFun member, if you are doing the spring add-ons. Let me know what is your favorite spring add-on that you're gonna get or that you already have gotten. If you've made it to the end of this video and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell as well, that way you get notified every time I put out a new video. And if you guys want daily outfit inspirations, I post every day on Instagram. You can follow me on there as well. I'm Naomi Boyer. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.